Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Face Unlock on your Android phone. So let's get started. So very first thing we need to do is go into our setting app. Now from your setting here, we're going to go down to lock screen and AOD. Now from there on, we're going to click on screen lock and biometrics. And then if you have a current PIN or password, you need to enter that to get to the menu. Now, once you're in the screen lock and biometrics menu, you should see under the biometrics section where it says face recognition. So first is if you don't have a face recognition, we need to make sure we have a registered face. We're going to go ahead and go through the process to look at our phone to register so it can scan your face. I'm going to go do that right now. Now, once you register your face, you're going to get to this menu, and this is where the face unlock option is. Now, by default, it is turned on after you register a face. If you like to turn it off, we'd go back. Let's go back and tap on where it's registered, right? We'll just simply turn that off, and that's going to turn off the face unlock on your Android phone. So again, to turn it on, you can just tap on it. To turn it off, you can go ahead and just toggle that off. Additionally, if you just want to remove your face altogether, you can do that, but that's optional as a step to completely disable, but you don't have to do that. So that's how you turn on and off Face Unlock on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.